Students, now just let's see the let's see India's map, where we can able to locate this laterite soil. Okay, we can able to point out the laterite soil in map of India. All right, just see here where we used to find this laterite soil. In the south Karnataka we used to find the laterite soil. After that in Kerala, in some pockets of Tamil Nadu we used to find it. We used to find the laterite soil in the peninsular plateau. Okay, here in MP also we used to find this laterite soil. ऐसा कोई स्टेट नहीं है कि पूरे स्टेट में दैट लैटराइट सॉइल वी यूज टू फाइंड. इन सम पॉकेट्स ऑफ सम स्टेट्स वी यूज टू फाइंड दिस लैटराइट सॉइल. Alright, in Chhattisgarh we used to find laterite soil, and after that hilly areas of Assam as well as hilly areas of Odisha we used to find this laterite soil. Students, okay, I think you don't have any problem now. If you face any problem, okay, then you can able to clear it in the doubt clearing session. Alright students, now we are going to start with the arid soil. Alright students, just see that what is the characteristics of this arid soil. Arid soil range from red to brown in color. Alright, they are generally sandy in texture and saline in nature. Alright, and for that reason we used to find it in Rajasthan's Thar desert. Okay, and they are saline in nature. Saline in nature means their salt, some percentage of salt is there in that soil. Okay, in some areas salt content is very high, and common salt is obtained by evaporating the water. Can you able to tell me that where this salt water lake is there in Rajasthan? Yes, it is in Sambhar lake. Okay, where we used to find the common salt. Students, due to dry climate, high temperature, evaporation is faster. Arid soil lacks humus and moisture because rainfall is very low there, and for that reason what happened, no plants are there, no trees are there that can able to hold the soil. तो इसके लिए arid soil lacks humus and moisture. Okay, the lower horizons of the soil are occupied by conker because of the increasing calcium content downwards. The conker layer formations in the bottom horizons restrict the infiltration of water. That means in the soil you will find conker also, and due to this conker, okay, the water can't able to penetrate deep inside. Alright, water can't able to percolates, okay, inside the ground. Alright students, now students just see here, let us see the formation here, how this arid soil formed. Arid soil formed by the high temperature and low rainfall. Students, okay, arid soils are formed from the fragmentation of rocks. Alright students, now what is the content, what this arid soil contain? These soils are deficient in nitrogen and humus. The phosphate and iron content is normal. They are mineral rich soils, but the main limitation is the lack of water. Okay, look, in many parts of Rajasthan what happened, from Satluj we just set up many canals, and with the help of the canals in Rajasthan farmers they were doing agriculture. ऐसा नहीं है कि arid soil में खेती नहीं किया जा सकता है, but if we can able to provide sufficient amount of water, then we can able to cultivate some important crops there. Just see here crops. Okay, they give high agricultural returns if irrigated properly. Alright, the availability of water from the Indira Gandhi Canal has transformed the agricultural landscape of desert soils of western Rajasthan. These soils are mainly cultivated for bajra, fodder, pulses and less water requiring crop. Okay students, let us see here in India where we used to find this arid soil. In northwest Rajasthan. Actually Here the Aravalli range is there. This Aravalli range used to divide Rajasthan into two parts. One is northwest Rajasthan and another is the South Rajasthan. Okay, so northwest Rajasthan जो है, this is barren. Here we used to find the arid soil, but in the southern Rajasthan where this Mewar region is there, okay, that is the fertile region. Okay, and here this northwest Rajasthan mein you will find the Marwar region. This is the barren land, and here we used to find this arid soil. Okay, students, if you face any problem, okay, then you can able to ask this arid soil any questions of this arid soil in the doubt clearing session. Okay, students.